literally nowhere. What the hell? Somebody tried to get into my cannon.
Oh my god, I've gone nowhere. I've gone on the ship.
I didn't go anywhere either.
I'm on the ship.
Did you aim it directly? They're leaving, so fucking leave them.
Shane still lords a cannonball.
Oh shit!
I'm going straight up in the air and going nowhere else.
Oh, there you go.
A lot of damage.
There you go. I'm in.
Best pirates ever. I know, Cassie.
Oh, they're running off.
Yeah, they're running off.
We waited so long.
Yeah.
We crashed. And shot ourselves in the air.
I shot myself in the air and landed back on the ship.
I want to sell this mysterious gift thing.
Yeah, I've got the skull.
That was 1200.
Ooh, 1200. Let's go.
Where'd you sell it to?
Mate,
that's so far away.
I mean, drop the sales. I mean, put up the sales.
Please don't let us hit this island. Oh god. Why are you steering the other way?
I'm steering towards bloody Parky.
You definitely weren't. Oh, we are the worst pirates in the world, boys.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Are you steering? Steer right now. Steer right.
Let's watch, chat. Let's watch.
It won't let me go right anymore.
Right, that's fine. That's what I want. Oh, for God's sake.
I've got this.
I knew what I was doing. It's this guy. Old man Woody comes in and just destroys everything.
Hey, mate. He's come a long way. He's come a long way. He knows how to load a cannon now. So.
Well, at least he can talk.
Yeah,
now.
exactly.
He's no longer Captain Mute.
Alright, we're coming.
We're going to catch some wind as well.
You're going the wrong way.
We're not
going the wrong way.
We're going to hit that island.
We're not going to hit that.
Where are you going?
I got this.
You're going very fast in the direction that is not where we need to go.
No. We got this. Keep it locked right. Shane. Keep it locked right.
Oh, let's go.
And then you let up the anchor. And then you go spin a whole 360 again.
No, we're good. Now go far left, Shane.
Yeah.
Well, we'll make up for it.
There's also a really small sandbank here that you could easily.
You're a really
crash.
small sandbank.
I am, yeah. You might crash on me too.
Right, Shane. Hard left.
Yeah, you're going to be on the ground here, boys.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
No, we're not.
No.
Yes,
yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are. Oh, shit.
Fully ran aground, didn't we?
It's all good. There is no.
Yes, there is. Yeah, we totally ran aground. but riddle me this: are we now closer than we were before? I think you found we are. Yeah, get wrecked.
Yeah, but you would.
Get wrecked.
Fuck, he's just standing there. Look at him, just standing there watching.
Laughing. I say nearly partner. I'm like halfway there, but I got this.
What am I doing now?
I don't know. What are you doing now? What are you doing now, Woody?
Am I coming back to the boat?
Yes.
Okay. Comms, bruv.
Comms, mate. Ping
Might
me.
as well be pointless with us.
Shut up.
Ashen chest. Let's sell this badger. Better than I'm doing. I'm still an affiliate. Oh, so am I. I didn't mean I'm not there yet, but like I'm halfway. Kind of, if you can call it that.
Why are you guys going over there? You told me to get back on a fucking boat.
To pick stuff up to sell it.
Oh my lord! Well, we got stuff to sell, have we?
Yeah,
what do you think we just picked up from that skeleton ship we sank?
Oh,
we just did that for a laugh, mate.
Oh shit! Yeah, we've got loads of stuff down here. Let's go.
Oh my god, this guy.
Oh, this is the best time ever.
Fucking liability. Oh.
But it's okay.
Like Lojo.
I like Lojo. Oh my god, I got struck by lightning again and I died.
Skellies are fucking tough.
I got struck by lightning again and I died walking the plank.
Yeah, there's definitely an Ashen Guardian on here.
Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah, you two on the boat. Do you think you can come and help us out a little bit?
Well, I just died because I got struck by lightning.
Yeah, loot box, exactly like that, mate. Lojo.
Normal Skellies.
Oh my god. I'm getting fisted.
Yeah.
Ow.
I'm already.
Wow.
I'm in the gulag right now, so.
I love how you call this the gulag, even though it's seriously not the gulag.
You died.
Oh my god, why have I got 112 skeletons with their fists upside me? Shoot them, Shane. Shoot the barrels. It takes them out quicker.
Oh,
Got him.
Death. I heard that all the way on the ship.
He's dead and everything.
He's dead and everything.
Wait, I could have revived you.
I don't want to be revived by you. I'd rather sit in
Oh, it's alright. I've got one after me. I'm fucked.
God damn.
I'm about to die.
Oh, Ashen Guardian. Holy shit.
Yeah. What do you think we've been fighting?
Well, I've been fighting the weather.
We're taking on the huge boss of the island.
Oh my god. Oh, he's chasing me.
Ooh, get it.
He's got it. Wow, there's loads of them here. Right, I'm out of bullets, guys.
Same.
You can't. These
I
guys.
don't know where the
Oh!
fight is. Do it.
Got it. Killed it. No! No! Res me, I'm right next to the skull that it dropped.
Oh, you're both dead as well, and I'm like,
Please.
okay. I'm coming.
Please res me.
I'm coming.
I think I've started.
I'm trying to get there.
I think I've started the
never needed
pineapple
you as
on
much as
pizza
I need
debate
you right
again.
now.
Oh, Captain Cohen's on
Durp.
here.
No, Durp!
What's happening?
You let me die to steal the skull, you piece of shit.
In Wootball stream, you must tell us what.
Woodbox, thank you for the 10 bits.
Hey, who's driving off the boat? Woody, you fucking sailing off, you dick!
Of course, is he muted himself in the
Wait,
chat as well?
don't sail off.
Screw
We've got some
you.
good loot.
I can't get.
Mate,
I can't see anything.
Spawn us back on the boat, and we need the lead. Lead?
The lead. We need the lead. We need the lead. I need to get.
No!
I'm in the water with this
No!
I need to get
Captain
back.
Knobhead's taking the boat.
You fucking bastards!
What's going on?
Captain Woodbeard!
That's so dad. Dad.
Dad, can you bring the boat back, please?
Oh, that's it.
We've got